Hello and welcome you once again in this new session of history, and today's topic is the chapter number 2, Life of Man through the Stone Age. The first question is, differentiate between the food gatherer and food producer. Food gatherer and food producers. The difference of the food gatherers and the food producers. Food gatherers, one who moves from place to place in search of foods, are known as food gatherers like primitive man. And food producers are one who has settled at one place and does farming and could store more food than their need and are like modern people. They are called food producers. Second question is, write a short note on first Paleolithic period, draw tools of the old Stone Age, second Neolithic period, and third Mesolithic period. Okay, now Paleolithic age. It is also known as the Old Stone Age. Period of history before 250,000 BC, when man began to live in caves. They wore skins, leaves, etc., and used crude tools and weapons to hurt animals. It is known as Paleolithic Age. Fire was discovered during this age, and here you have to draw tools of page number 11. Then Mesolithic Age, or it is known as the Middle Stone Age. Mesolithic Age or Middle Stone Age began towards the end of the Paleolithic Age when man moved closer to water. Man moved closer to water sources like rivers and lakes. Man was still essentially a hunter and food gatherer. His tools and weapons, however, had improved. For example, new materials like bone, horn, etc. were used. Apart from chipped stone tools, man made smaller tools and they were known as microliths. Small tools are known as microliths. Some of them were fixed on the wood or bone and used as spears, bows, and arrows. Towards the end of the Mesolithic age, man learned to grow crop. Now, from page number 12, you have to draw tools here. Now, Neolithic age or a new stone age, it is also known as a new stone age, period dated between 25,000 to 10,000 BC is known as the Neolithic age. Here, man's nomadic life ended. He became a food producer and he did farming, taming of animals, and wearing clothes. Man began to live in a society and on banks of rivers, thus starting the age of civilization. Wheel was invented during this period. And now you have to draw a pot from page number 6. Now write about the use of metals of Chalcolithic age. Use of metal from Chalcolithic age. The early man discovered the use of copper metal in the beginning, and then it was mixed with the zinc, tin, lead, and alloy, and it was known as a bronze. Though stone tools used to also continued to be in use. This period when human used metals and small pieces of stone is called Chalcolithic age. Then discovery of wheel and its uses. The discovery of wheels by the human beings was landmark in humans' development. The wheel had been used for many diverse purposes by the humans. They used it to draw water from the well in the form of pulley, from the spinning the thread and making clothes in the form of spinning wheel charkha, and it makes pottery in form of potters, and of course the greatest use of wheel was in the case of transportation. Now, religious practiced by people of Copper or Chalcolithic age. During the Chalcolithic age, the people started to worship the natural object like sun, moon, and earth. The earth assumed the status of a mother figure which provided food of her children. Then man started worshipping all the mysterious objects of nature, the moon and the sun, etc. They started sacrificing as rites and sang songs in praise of those objects. They began to follow the practice of making graves for burying their dead. They covered the grave with large stone called megaliths. So megaliths means a large stone which they used to cover the grave. Now we will move to our book portion, book exercises. First, it is the fill in the blank. The Paleolithic man lived as a hunter, or you can say a gatherer, hunter-gatherer, and led a nomadic life. Man's discovery of fire is considered the most important event of the Paleolithic Old Paleolithic Stone Age. The Mesolithic or Middle Stone Age is very short from 10,000 BC to 8,000 BCE. Fourth one, the invention of wheel changed the life of the man forever. Fifth, copper was the first metal to be discovered leading of the Bronze or Chalcolithic Stone Age. Now match the following. Paleolithic Age from 5 lakh BCE to 10,000 BCE. Varieties of stones, they used to make weapons. Mesolithic Age, beginning of the agriculture. Bronze is the alloy of copper and tin, and pot making through wheel. True, false. The continent of Africa is cited as the first home of the humans. Yes, it is true. The Mesolithic tools were made of metals. No, it was made of small tools. Early man grew corn, wheat and millets. Yes, it is true. Then there is no improvement of man lives in the Neolithic age. It is false. There was a lot of changes. And the last one is the Indian Bronze Age began during the Indus Valley civilization. No, it is, yes, it is true. The Indian Bronze Age is the starting of the Indus Valley civilization. It is true. So that's all for today's session. We will meet in our next session with the new topic and the new lesson. Till then, have a nice day and take care of your health.